Hello, welcome to another Procreate tutorial. If you don't know me, my name is Melissa and today we'll be drawing an orange, and we're just starting off with a simple circle shape and filling in the colour from the colour palette. In order to add some texture to the orange, we are going to use clay from our organic brushes in Procreate, and we are going to use this dark red orange here up top. And we're just going to get started by going around where we think all the dark areas will be in the painting, and I'm going to focus on this area here as this is going to be the dark side, and we're just going to go around in circles. Don't forget, if you are new to this channel, please do hit the subscribe button and the bell notification button down below. I come out with new tutorials every single week, and those tutorials are digital art related, and I'm hoping to come out with a graphic design series and lots of digital illustration series in the future, so please do hit the subscribe button down below for that. And now we are just adjusting our opacity of the layer by hitting the N button in the layer, as you see here. Now we're just going to our new layer which we created, and we are going to our color palette, and we are going to choose this darkish yellow, and we are going to brushes, and we are going to hit clay, and we are just going to do some highlights around the top. Now that we finish this, we are going to go up to our layers again and reduce our opacity for the layer by hitting the N, and we are just going to reduce the opacity for that one more time for this layer. And just adding another layer and choosing this color here and just adding some more darker areas, and then again reducing the opacity. So I'm just going to go ahead and add a new layer, and we're going to go up to a color palette and choose this green, and we're going to start to draw in our stem, and I'm just going to do the bottom part of the stem. And we're going to use our monoline brush in calligraphy, and we're just going to go around in a flower shape, and then once you're done with your lines, you're going to drag and drop your colouring from the colour palette. Now that we've done the bottom part of the stem, we're going to go up to the color palette, and we are going to choose a darker green and do the top part of the stem, which is just going to be a rounded cylinder shape, and we're going to drag and drop our color from the color palette, or color it in as I am doing here. Now with that same green, we are actually going to do the base of our leaf, and just readjusting my brush size. And we're just going to start out by drawing our leaf, one single line, and then two curved lines going around. Add a new layer, and we are going to choose a lighter green to do the veins of the leaf. And once again, we're going to go up to our layers, and we're going to go to opacity and reduce the opacity for that layer. Then we are going to add another layer, to do the other parts of the vase. Now we're going to go up to layers, hit the new layer, and then we're going to go head over to our color palette, and we're going to choose this yellow, and we're going to go to brushes, and we're going to go to airbrushes, soft brushes, and we're just going to add some yellow highlights over some of the lighter areas. And I'm just adjusting my brushes here. Now we're going to go up to Gaussian blur, layer, and we are going to blur it just a little bit. To layers and add a new layer, head up to colors, and we're going to go in with a black, and we're going to go up to calligraphy, monoline brush, and we're just going to draw in some dark shadow lines underneath our stem. And once we've done that, we're going to head up to Gaussian blur again. We're going to hit layer, and we're just going to blur that out. Now that we've done that, we created a new layer, and we're going to add some dark areas using our soft airbrush. Now that we've done that, we're going to go to our brushes in organic, and we're going to choose this brush here called Hazen down the bottom. I believe that's how you pronounce it. It's Heusia. And we're going to go up to our color palette and choose this cream here. And we're going to go add another layer, and we're just going to add some more texture onto the leaf. Click on your brushes and choose monoline brush, and we've added a new layer, and we're going to do a orange slice, and I'm going to start up by drawing a half circle, shapes, Now that we've done that, we'll go to color palette and choose a yellow, and we are going to do the outer rim part of the orange slice. Now we're going to go up to layers, add a new layer, and we're going to go choose a red, orange-ish color, and we're going to do the outer rim of the orange slice by using our monoline brush up in calligraphy. Go up to our brushes, and we're going to go choose streaks, and now we're going to add a new layer. Go up to our color palette, and we are changing our colors to a yellowish tan color, and we're just going to go over the orange bit of the slices, and we're going to do that to add some texture. Let's go up to layers, and we're going to hit the opacity like so. Now we're going to go up to colors and blur, layer, and adjust it. head up to layers, add a new one, and we're going to add a ambit to our orange, which is going to hit the same ramp as before. And monoline brush, and we're going to draw in a triangle shape at the end. Back up to layers, add a new one. Color, we're going to do this orangey color, and we're going to head up to the blotchy brush, and we're just going to do some finer textures around the yellow. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell notification button so you notify all my videos, and I shall see you next time. Thanks for watching and subscribing. Bye bye.